A molecule is a group of two or more atoms held together by attractive forces known as chemical bonds. Depending on context, the term may or may not include ions which satisfy this criterion. In quantum physics, organic chemistry, and biochemistry, the distinction from ions is dropped and molecule is often used when referring to polyatomic ions. In the kinetic theory of gases, the term molecule is often used for any gaseous particle regardless of its composition. This relaxes the requirement that a molecule contains two or more atoms, since the noble gases are individual atoms. A molecule may be homonuclear, that is, it consists of atoms of one chemical element. Two atoms in the oxygen molecule, or it may be heteronuclear, a chemical compound composed of more than one element, for example water. Atoms in complexes connected by non-covalent interactions, such as hydrogen bonds or ionic bonds, are typically not considered single molecules. Molecules as components of matter are common. They also make up most of the oceans and atmosphere. Most organic substances are molecules. The substances of life are molecules, for example proteins, the amino acids of which they are composed, the nucleic acids, sugars, carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins. The nutrient minerals are generally ionic compounds, thus they are not molecules. Iron sulfate. However, the majority of familiar solid substances on Earth are made partly or completely of crystals or ionic compounds, which are not made of molecules. These include all of the minerals that make up the substance of the Earth: sand, clay, pebbles, rocks, boulders, bedrock, the molten interior, and the core of the Earth. All of these contain many chemical bonds, but are not made of identifiable molecules. No typical molecule can be defined for salts nor for covalent crystals, although these are often composed of repeating unit cells that extend either in a plane, for example graphene, or three-dimensionally, for example diamond, quartz, sodium chloride. The theme of repeated unicellular structure also holds for most metals, which are condensed phases with metallic bonding. Thus solid metals are not made of molecules. In glasses, which are solids that exist in a vitreous disordered state, the atoms are held together by chemical bonds with no presence of any definable molecule, nor any of the regularity of repeating unit cellular structure that characterizes salts, covalent crystals, and metals.